Okay, believe I'm able to get this back up and running. Just hold one moment. Okay. All right. So Jelani, that's funny. That's real funny. All right, just one moment here. Trying to pop out this chat. Okay. Can everybody tell me if they can see my screen? Could you confirm in the chat if you can see my screen, please? All right. I even lost track as to what part we were working. All right. I'm not sure if this was something with a software tried to update or what was the problem, but okay, we want 6B part 2. Thank you very much. All right. So they told us here to calculate the length of the prism if the volume is 540 cm cubed for 2 marks. So we know that volume is equal to area multiplied by length. So I can make here length the subject of the formula by dividing both sides of the equation by area. Or you could have done this mentally. Yeah? So length is volume over area. And the length here is equal to, the volume is 540 cm cubed. And we know here that the area is 24 cm squared. Dividing them here, I'm going to get here 22.5 centimeters. Okay, so let's go on to part 3, which is the last part of the question here. Calculate the surface area of the prism for 2 marks. All right, so this is a bit of a tedious piece of working, but go ahead and work it out. All right. They want surface area, so I'll go back to the diagram here. You know the length is 22.5. The length here, this is 22.5 centimeters. You know this is 8 centimeters. You also know that the area of triangle ABC here is 24 centimeters squared. Okay? So use this information and calculate the surface area. Okay, 588 centimeters squared is the correct answer. Well done, Emmanuel. Now, once we work out this, that's the end of the class. I'm just giving the others about a minute before I start to write because there's plenty working. I need to write out, okay? That's great, Naomi, but don't glory in just finishing early. Make sure that you know what we did in class, okay? Do over those questions on your own. Let's see how much you really know, okay? And you could always consult back the video or your solutions after. But please don't only just do past papers. You have to do revision. Know your theory, learn off your formulae, okay? The theory is what's going to save you. The practice in the exam questions gives you confidence in applying the theory, okay? All right, I'm going to start the working. It's a little bit much to write. So I'm going to write here that area of ACFD is equal to 8 centimeters multiplied by 22.5 centimeters, and this will give you 180 centimeters squared. Area of ABED is equal to 6 multiplied by 22.5, and this will give you 135 centimeters squared. Area of BCFE is equal to 10 multiplied by 22.5, and you'll get here 225 cm squared. All right, so area of ABC plus area of DEF, these are the two triangles, is 24 cm squared multiplied by 2. So this is 48 centimeters squared. So therefore, the surface area is equal to, you're going to add up all these values, 180 plus 135 plus 225 plus 48 and you're going to get here 588 cm squared. Okay? All right, so this brings us to the end of the evening. Before we end the class, could you indicate in the chat here if there are any private candidates? I'm trying to plan out how I'm doing my class on Thursday. If there are nobody, or if there's 1 or 2 persons, I'll probably just do a solution class. Okay? So type that in the chat. Tomorrow we'll be doing the investigation questions. All right? Private candidates are people who are repeating doing paper 3. Everybody else here, As far as I know, as students in secondary school right now, they did an SBA. Yes, Amelie, please leave Liam alone, okay? All right. Um, so I think I'll just do a solution video on Thursday and do the two papers one time rather than have it over two classes. Just have it one rather than how we practice in here. So I'll just work out. I'll work out the whole two exams in that 2 hours. Okay. All right. Y'all enjoyed tonight. Apart from the problem where you couldn't see the screen, y'all enjoyed learning. All right. So this is the end of the class. I will see y'all tomorrow. We are doing the investigation question. Yes, we are having class every day except Friday night. Okay? So, good night. Do some revision, learn something new. I'll see you all tomorrow at 7 p.m. Okay, bye.